What's going down? This is your girl Manny coming to you with a 60-second slot. No bops. The card for today is Clean It Up, and it is representing that we have levels to our consciousness. We have levels to our goals and things in our life. And every time you go to another level, there's going to constantly be things that you need to fix. There's going to be constantly things you need to cleanse and heal from so you can elevate to the next level. So understand and know that you're going to be constantly working on yourself. Just seen 4-4. Keep that in mind and don't be annoyed or discouraged by that. You know what I'm saying? Stand in that and know what's ahead of you. You feel me? Have a good one.